ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI Overviews do not need a second website written for voice. As of August 2026, Siri, Gemini, Claude, and every answer engine that speaks still pull from the same structured data that typed search already uses. The myth is that voice search optimization requires completely different content. The truth is, one schema stack serves both. I am going to show why agencies sold you a fake voice SEO product, the 4 mistakes that waste months of writing, the exact structured data that works for typed search and spoken answers, and how to stop building a second content calendar you do not need. First, the same structured data powers both. When someone types plumber near me, or asks Siri for a plumber near me, or asks ChatGPT who to call, the model needs the same extractable facts: name, address, phone, hours, services, prices, reviews, local business schema, FAQ schema, speakable only if it restates facts you already marked up. Voice is a delivery mode. It is not a second ranking system that wants a new blog written in question form. Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, Gemini, and Perplexity all prefer clean entities they can lift without guessing. They do not prefer a 500-word page that starts with, "Hey there, homeowner. Are you looking for a trusted plumber today?" That conversational page was the 2016 playbook. Agencies told owners to rewrite every service page as a spoken question. They sold voice search optimization as a new line item. They billed for FAQ pages that never got spoken. Meanwhile, the business had no local business schema, no service catalog, no consistent hours, and a Google business profile with the wrong category. Typed search, voice answers, and AI overviews all fail for the same reason. The entity is incomplete. ChatGPT cannot cite what it cannot extract. Perplexity cannot shortlist a shop with missing hours. Google AI Overviews cannot quote a service you never marked up. The format of the query changed. The data the engines need did not. So the comparison is not voice content versus typed content. The comparison is extractable structured data versus a second pile of conversational copy. As of 2026, the engines still prefer the structured record. Second, the voice SEO industry sold you extra work. Mistake number 1 is a second content calendar. Teams write spoken versions of pages they already published. They add, "Would you like to know? And here is what you need to know" to every heading. Models skip the padding and look for the fact. Mistake number 2 is fake FAQ pages. 20 questions nobody asks. Answers that repeat the same paragraph. No FAQ page schema. No connection to real services. Claude and Gemini ignore the pile. Google AI Overviews quote a competitor with 3 real questions and valid markup. Mistake number 3 is treating speakable markup as a new website. Speakable is a hint. It is not a license to invent a voice-only page. If the facts are not already in local business, service, and FAQ schema, speakable has nothing honest to point at. Mistake number 4 is ignoring the same name, address, phone, and hours the voice answer will speak. A user asks Siri if you're open. The assistant reads the structured hours. If those hours are wrong, the spoken answer is wrong. Voice does not forgive stale data. Typed search hides the error in a result list. Voice says it out loud, but it gets worse. Agencies still sell voice search packages in 2026. They promise Alexa rankings. They rewrite blogs in question form. They never ship JSON LD. They never fix Google Business Profile services. They never measure whether ChatGPT or Perplexity actually names you. You paid for conversational copy and starved the source layer. Think about the buyer path as of August 2026. A homeowner asks Perplexity who is open for emergency HVAC. The model scans structured local records, hours, services, and reviews. It does not need your voice landing page. If schema and Google Business Profile are incomplete, the spoken answer names a competitor. Your conversational blog never enters that decision. The same is true inside the car. Someone asks Google Assistant for a dentist taking new patients. The assistant needs category, availability, and a clean entity. It does not need a 900-word page that sounds like a podcast intro. Third, the one schema stack that works for both. Stack number 1. Local business or the right subtype. Dentist. HVAC business, plumber. Attorney. One official name, address, and phone that match the website and Google Business Profile. Voice reads this. Typed search uses this. ChatGPT extracts this. Stack number 2, service catalog. Every money service has structured data, not a paragraph. Emergency drain cleaning. Same-day AC repair. Invisalign consults. Models quote services. Voice speaks services. A blob of copy does neither well. Stack number 3, hours and area served. Opening hours and geo coverage are what spoken answers actually say. If you serve 3 cities, mark them. If Saturday hours changed, update them in one place. Stack number 4, FAQ page on real questions, not 20 fake ones. 5 to 8 questions customers already ask. Short answers with the fact first. Valid FAQ schema. Those same answers work in Google AI overviews, Perplexity citations, and a spoken response. Stack number 5, review and same as corroboration. Aggregate rating, review corpus, and consistent profiles. Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT use proof. Voice answers sound more confident when the proof is thick. 90-day plan. Days 1 through 30 ship 1 schema stack. Local business, services, hours, real FAQ, match name, address, phone across the site, and Google business profile. Kill the voice-only rewrite project. Days 31 through 60. Measure 10 money prompts in typed form and spoken form. Who is the best plumber in your city? Who is open now? Who does emergency service? Log whether ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, Claude, and Gemini name you, ignore you, or name a competitor. Days 61 through 90. Fix gaps in the same stack. Do not start a second voice blog. Add missing services. Refresh hours. Get service-specific reviews. Keep one source of truth. Owners fall for the myth because voice feels new. A second calendar feels like work. Conversational copy feels modern. Schema feels boring. Categories, hours, services, FAQ markup. That boring layer is what Siri, Gemini, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI overviews actually speak. Motion is not visibility. Extractable facts are visibility. Recap. As of August 2026, voice search optimization does not require completely different content. The same structured data that wins typed search and AI citations also wins spoken answers. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, Claude, Gemini, and Siri extract local business, services, hours, and real FAQ. Stop buying a second voice calendar. Fund one schema stack. If you want that AI visibility layer without living in 5 engine tabs and a fake voice content calendar every night, Ninja monitors how often you appear across ChatGPT and the other AI engines, strengthens the structured data those models actually extract, and shows where competitors collect free spoken mentions while your team is still rewriting pages nobody asked for.